The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a filmmaker's dream drone, combining portability, powerful features, and ease of use. Weighing less than 249 grams, the drone boasts a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor with 48 megapixel effective pixels, delivering stunning image quality. Capture vibrant details with 4K 60fps HDR and 4K 100fps video, delivering stunning clarity for cinematic storytelling. Its 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG color profiles provide a wider range of colors and advanced flexibility for post-production editing, allowing for professional-grade results. The Slow-Mo 4K 100fps mode lets you immerse your audience in breathtaking slow-motion footage. For nighttime creators, the Night Shots video mode uses an enhanced noise reduction algorithm to produce cleaner and sharper low-light footage directly from the camera. Safety is a priority with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, equipped with 4 wide-angle vision sensors and 2 downward sensors. The Advanced Pilot Assistance Systems, APAS, ensure automatic braking and bypassing for added security during flight. Creators can enjoy extended shooting sessions thanks to the Intelligent Flight Battery, providing up to 34 minutes of flight time, or upgrade to the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus for an impressive 45 minutes. With features like Active Track 360-degree, the Mini 4 Pro enables diverse camera movements to match various shooting scenarios. The Autel Evo Nano Plus is a lightweight and compact drone designed for photography enthusiasts, combining portability with advanced features for stunning aerial content. Weighing under 249 grams, it is as light as a smartphone and fits seamlessly into your hiking pack or pocket, making it an ideal travel companion. At its core, the Nano Plus features a 1.28-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing 50-megapixel photos, ensuring high-resolution images with rich detail. The RYYB color filter array design and f1.9 large aperture significantly enhance low-light performance. The Nano Plus is equipped with a PDAF plus CDF autofocus system, enabling precise tracking of fast-moving subjects and ensuring sharp, vibrant images and videos. It also supports 4K 30fps video recording, stabilized by a 3-axis mechanical gimbal to minimize vibrations, resulting in ultra-smooth footage. With 3-way binocular vision sensors, the Nano Plus can detect and avoid obstacles from the front, rear, and below, making it beginner-friendly and crash-resistant. The drone offers a flight time of up to 28 minutes, providing ample opportunity for creative experimentation. Its Dynamic Track 2.1 technology allows the Nano Plus to automatically follow subjects, perfect for capturing action-packed moments hands-free. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or new to aerial photography, the Autel Evo Nano Plus delivers exceptional performance, user-friendly operation, and professional quality results, making it a versatile choice for capturing breathtaking perspectives. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a cutting-edge drone designed for professional creators, boasting a revolutionary triple-lens camera system and a host of intelligent features to redefine aerial photography and videography. At the heart of its capabilities is the 4x3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, offering 20-megapixel resolution and an adjustable f2.8-11 aperture, with a dynamic range of 12.8 stops, enabling stunningly detailed imagery with the Hasselblad Natural Color Solution, which faithfully reproduces colors as perceived by the human eye. Additionally, the 5.1K video recording at 50 FPS ensures cinema-quality footage, perfect for low-light scenarios. The newly introduced 70mm medium telephoto camera features a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor and 48-megapixel resolution, making it ideal for mid-range photography. Enhanced by Night Shots mode and hyperlapse, this lens captures breathtaking footage day and night. Completing the tri-camera system is the upgraded 166mm telephoto lens with a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor and 12-megapixel resolution. It offers 7x optical zoom and an impressive 28x hybrid zoom, making it perfect for close-ups and detailed shots. The Mavic 3 Pro supports 4K video recording at 120 FPS, providing smooth, professional-grade slow-motion shots. Flight features are equally impressive. With omnidirectional obstacle sensing, powered by APAS 5.0, the drone ensures safe navigation even for beginner pilots. Intelligent flight modes like waypoint flight, cruise control, master shots, and focus track enhance creativity and ease of use. The drone's lightweight design supports up to 43 minutes of flight time, enabling extended shooting sessions. Optional compatibility with DJI Goggles 2, Goggles Integra, and RC Motion 2 elevates the immersive experience. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a game-changer for anyone seeking professional-grade aerial content with unmatched precision and creativity. The HoverAir X1 Pro is a compact, user-friendly drone designed to elevate your aerial photography and videography experiences. Equipped with rear TOF proximity sensors to prevent collisions, it ensures safe and seamless operation. Weighing approximately 191.5 grams and featuring a foldable design, it easily fits into your pocket, making it an ideal companion for on-the-go shooting. Equipped with a 4K camera capable of recording at 60 FPS, the X1 Pro ensures high-resolution footage with smooth motion capture. To maintain stability and clarity in your recordings, the drone incorporates Smooth Capture 2.0 technology, which combines a 2-axis gimbal with electronic image stabilization, EIS. The HoverAir X1 Pro offers a variety of intelligent flight modes accessible with the press of a button, eliminating the need for a separate controller or smartphone. Safety is a priority with the X1 Pro, featuring rear-side active collision detection through vision-based proximity sensors. This system helps the drone detect and avoid obstacles during flight, providing peace of mind during operation. Powered by a 1920 mAh smart battery, the drone achieves a maximum flight time of up to 16 minutes, allowing ample opportunity to capture your desired shots. In terms of performance, the X1 Pro can reach a maximum auto-follow speed of 42 km/h with an instantaneous tracking speed of up to 60 km/h, ensuring it can keep pace with fast-moving subjects. The DJI Air 3S is a versatile dual-camera drone that blends advanced technology with exceptional imaging capabilities, making it perfect for travel photography and cinematic aerial shots. Its dual-camera system comprises a 1-inch CMOS primary camera and a 1x1.3-inch CMOS medium telecamera, both offering up to 14 stops of dynamic range for stunning detail and vivid imagery. Capable of recording 4K 60 FPS HDR video, the Air 3S ensures smooth, vibrant footage with lifelike color reproduction. Its free panorama feature expands creative possibilities by enabling seamless and detailed panoramic shots. The drone's Nightscape omnidirectional obstacle sensing ensures safe and precise navigation, even in low-light conditions. With advanced pilot assistance systems, APAS, and forward-facing LiDAR sensors, the Air 3S can detect and avoid obstacles, ensuring reliability during flights and returns. Designed for extended exploration, the Air 3S offers an impressive 45-minute flight time and supports 20-kilometer video transmission, powered by DJI's cutting-edge technology for stable, responsive control. Enhanced with Vision Assist, the drone provides comprehensive views from all directions, including a downward perspective for better situational awareness. Its waypoint flight and cruise control features enable preset flight paths and camera actions, unlocking creative freedom with minimal manual input. Whether capturing breathtaking landscapes or cinematic close-ups, the DJI Air 3S is an aerial powerhouse. Which one of these drones caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more filmmaking tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.